Hi everyone. I wanted to share with you some of the treatments that we do at the spa and treatments that you can do at home. You can do the same thing at home, and I'm going to show you a couple of the tools that I love to use at the spa and at home. So one of them is the Jade rollers. Jade rollers have been around for thousands of years. They're from Japan. These were made in America. These are by Nesco. And these are really, I think, to my opinion, are the best quality jade out there. You have to be really careful because there's a lot of fake jade out there. But the quality of the jade is really important. These are beautiful because they have the rose quartz. So this is the white jade, and this is the green jade. And you can get them with also black. They come with the rose gold. So they all have rose gold. This is the rose quartz, which is so popular because it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see that. They all come with a mask. And then this is the green jade, which has the gold mask. And then also the white jade. See if you can see that. They're really beautiful. So what we do at the spa is after we have a mask on, we'll do, especially if somebody has puffy eyes or they need lymphatic drainage, we'll do this. I'll show you how we use the gold bar also. But this is really wonderful for lymphatic drainage. It has a small jade roller, so you can do it around the orbital bone. You can also go up into the temple. This is great also if you have a tension headache. It's so cool and it soothes that area, so it really helps with the scalp. You can even put these on the scalp, and then you always go up because of gravity, and then your lymphatic drainage, you go down the neck. So this is a beautiful tool. It feels so good. You don't even want to put it down. So this is the jade. This is the white jade, the obsidian, and the rose quartz. And then it's wonderful to use with your mask, with your creams, but it's even better to use with a serum. I love to use it with the American Vanity serum. This has 12 botanicals. It has the bio-advanced CBD, and it also has hyaluronic, so it really helps penetrate the epidermis. So I'll do this on my skin probably twice a week. If you've had, like I said, puffy eyes, you've had too much sodium, too much salt the night before, you can just do it on when you wake up in the morning before you even get up. Just do this. It helps with dark circles and puffy eyes, and you will love it. So this is something that you can do at home with any serum, any cream, and any mask that you have.